back to my channel. Now this video is sponsored by Annoine. I think I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but I'll put the name on the screen. Okay, so it's sponsored by this hair company. I don't want to mess up their name, so yeah. They sent me this loose deep, I think it's loose deep curls or loose deep wave, but it just says loose deep on the bag. Wig in 22 inches. It is a 180% density wig. I did go ahead and cut it just because I wanted to have like a blunt curly look. You get what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So I'm just gonna be showing you guys what they sent to me inside the box. So they pretty much sent me a bag to put my wig in when I'm done wearing it. They sent me some lashes to go with my wig if I'm supposed to do my makeup. They sent me some stocking cap to use. I already had one open, so I just used that one. And they sent me some comb. Okay, so once again, I would like to thank them for sponsoring this video. But without further ado, let's just jump right into this video. So hey you guys, and welcome back. Right now I'm just showing you guys the wig. I did go ahead and plucked and bleach this wig. It came as a 22 inch, but like I said, I cut it into a blonde cut. And I'm just going to be using my makeup alone for this look. I did not use any tint because it's done. I don't have any more. I have to buy more. So this is what I had, and it did what it's supposed to do. Okay, so I'm using the Ruby Kisses cream contour, I think, cream foundation kit or palette with the two sides, and I'm using RB09. I think that's what I use for this one. And I just went ahead and put it on my my stocking cap and on the lace. You know what, guys, what I've been figuring out since lately with this wig install, I feel like when you're doing, it's a hit or miss. So basically what I'm trying to say, like when you're doing your wigs, I feel like to get the right shade, you kind of have to do your ball cap method a little bit, like a shade dark. I don't know, like it's not supposed to be the exact shade as your like your skin, because then when you put the glue on it, it kind of gets white. So I personally, for some reason, it's weird because I know normally they say like you're supposed to, you know, put it over, like you're supposed to do a lighter color for your ball cap because your scalp is whiter. But I feel like if you use like a slightly, not like drastic dark, but like a slightly darker makeup or tint or whatever, I feel like after you put the glue on it, then it brings, like, it comes to the exact shade that you want it to be. I don't know if I'm explaining properly, but basically because the wig, when you put the glue on it, it tends to get white, like it tends to get a little bit lighter than what it's supposed to be. So I feel like if you kind of put it a shade darker, then by the time the glue is supposed to go on it, then it will actually become the exact color that it's supposed to be. I don't know, maybe I'm just talking on my ass, like I don't know. But yeah, basically I'm just gonna be installing this wig. I started cutting my lace in 3 different sections just because I feel like when you do it in smaller sections, you're able to pull the wig without pulling the neck side, because it's not pulling on the entire lace, because that piece is to itself. And I don't know, I feel like the glue dries better because you're not like, if you put it around your entire head, then you have to wait for the entire thing to dry, and then when the entire thing dries, one part might be more stickier than the next. So I feel like this actually works better for me. So I've been doing this lately, and I've also been cutting the center part of my head in a different motion. Like instead of using the razor, I use the scissors and just do small triangles. Yeah, so yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys watch as I install this wig. Also for this wig, it was very soft. I love the lace because it's not it's not HD lace, so it's not really the thinnest lace, but it was good quality lace. It melted as if it was transparent, like an HD lace. Like, you guys will see what I'm talking about. And it wasn't even like HD lace, you know. But yeah, I'm gonna just let you guys watch as I do my little thing, and then I will come back at the end part.
When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my had to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple thousand, go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. They just don't belong.
Okay guys, so for some reason I didn't realize my camera did not record me like pretty much placing down the lace on the glue that I did for the small sections, like triangle sections, the triangular sections. And I pretty much just go in with the end of the tail comb and just do small triangles with the glue itself, and then put the lace into the glue. So that's all I did. Guys, look how close up I am to the camera, and it seems like it's an HD lace. It's HD lace and it's not HD lace. That is crazy. When I was like cutting off the lace, I'm like, I don't know if it's the way that I did the makeup thing that I'm explaining to you guys, or if it's just like the lace is so bomb. But it literally looks like HD lace and it's not. Imagine if, oh my gosh, like, just imagine trying this company's HD lace. The bomb. Like, the bomb. Like, it's so good. Like, this lace is very good. Like, very, very good. I love this lace. Loved it. Because I feel like HE lace is also more expensive, and this is not HE lace, so it will be reasonable. And you will get more use out of this lace because it's not so thin. You know, the thinner the lace, the shorter the lifespan of the lace is. So I feel like it's good to, like, this lace is actually good because it blends like HC lace, but gives you a longevity of a transparent lace. So yeah, they're onto something here. This company is onto something. I loved everything.
When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my had to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple thousand, go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. They just don't belong. face. You saw the look on my had to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. They just don't belong. When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my had to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. They just don't belong.
So this is basically the final look. All I'm doing right now is pretty much just putting some mousse in my hair, brushing it out, puffing up the curls, because I do want it to be a little bit dried. I don't want it to be too wet, but I also don't want it to be too dry. And I'm just going in with my mousse. I use like the stronghold mousse at the top part, and then like the mousse that helps with the curling at the ends. And that's pretty much all I did. This was a very much free flowing type of hairstyle, so you can flip it anywhere you want to. You could do it in the middle, flip it on both sides. Like, it wasn't anything too like subtle and too neat, because I'm not for the neat type of look. I like when it looks like it's my hair, just I guess freshly washed, and I just left it to hit air dry pretty much. But yeah, anyways, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I will definitely see you guys in my next. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you are notified whenever I post, and leave all your comments down below, and I'll see you guys in my next one.
When I walk into the kitchen,